Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sai. Today I am going to speak Mahatma Phule. Mahatma Phule was a social reformer. He was born on 11th April 1827 in Pune, Maharashtra. He worked for rights of women and lower caste, fought against untouchability and caste system. His wife Savitribai Phule, he was the first woman teacher in India. He opened the first school for girls in 1848. He started the Satyashodak Samaj, believed equality and education for all. He worked to remove social evils for society. He died on 28 November 1890. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.